Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This week we're not going away anywhere because I'm off to a clay shoot this weekend. So why don't you come along and join me on this clay shoot, and I'll see you when we get there. Okay guys, so I've arrived at the clay shoot that is run by a friend of mine. So let's go ahead and have some fun. You out of clays? Oh, I'll get some clays. Okay, so I'm just going to help out and go and fill this clay trap up with some more clays. Okay, so here's the clay trap guys, so let's go ahead and fill it up with some more clays. Okay, so that's the clay trap all filled up now, so let's go and let them know they can continue on with their shoot. Come on then. Oh, all that time filling it up and they're missing them. Okay guys, while there's no one over this side doing any shooting, I'll come over and have a go myself. Down line, 1 pair each stand. Okay. 1 pair each stand. 1, 2, 3. 2 shots from 2 clays from each stand. Where's the buttons? Huh? The button. Here. You just press these 2 buttons.
No, at the same time?
No, one at a time. Just press one. Press one of them. Look. And you'll see what happens. Just press one now. After that stand first, then that one, then that one, then that one, then that one. Oh. Yeah. And when I say pull is when you. No, I'll put them on the side of the fence. When I say pull, you press it. So press it so I can see where they're coming from. Right, one's from there. Yeah. And then press the other one. And one's from there. That's it. Yeah. Okay guys, I'd just like to say sorry for the angle of the camera here, but trying to shoot and do the camera work at the same time is proving to be a little bit difficult. Right, pull. Go on. Press the other one straight away after. Go on, pull. Yeah. Go on. Yeah. No, press that other one. Well, that was pretty poor, guys. I only managed to hit one of them. Yeah, pull. Go on. They're fast. Pull. Pull. Okay, so that was pretty poor. I only managed to hit 6 out of the 10. So let's make our way to the next stand.
Huh? Missing what? You've hit enough on it.
Okay guys, so that was a really good day out on the clay shoot. I hope you enjoyed that, like I did. So I'm going to head off home now, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So thanks from me, Tom. Yeah.
Because I'm going camping.
Are you?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That was a really good day out. So I'll catch you on the next one. So it's bye from me, Tom, Marie, Ollie and Reggie. So thanks a lot. Bye.